Any Igbo man who drag people from the south to be Igbo, you are telling people from the south say you are Igbo, and they are telling you they are not Igbo. And you are an Igbo man, you are telling them they are Igbo. Your head is not correct. It is very shameful. It is very disrespecting to me as an Igbo man to beg somebody who says not Igbo to be Igbo. You guys, listen. So that if I see this thing, it annoy me. In fact, it make me to make ground open my for enter. How can you be confusing somebody to be part of you as great as an Igbo nation? I won't come to beg somebody who says not Igbo, try to convince him to take. I will be the one to telling somebody in history that makes him an Igbo person. That is very insulting. If you are an Igbo man and you are doing this, shame to you. Shame. They are supposed to be the one begging to be Igbo. We're going to tell them say they no be Igbo. Yes. How can you be? Somebody will tell you say he's not be Igbo. You go to beg the person say he's an Igbo. Now you want to tell the person in your origin? How? He not be Igbo, be say he not be Igbo. Like all this one where they say Delta Igbo, you not be Delta Igbo, no be Igbo they speak. I know somebody from Delta here. His name is Okechukwu Ojedika. He told me he's not Igbo. I say okay, no problem. Yes, you know. Even the day where they argue, I say yes, you are not Igbo. Very simple. One of they stress on ourselves over something. Do you know that the other tribe go they look us like say we be mumu? To they beg people we say they no be Igbo, say them be Igbo. The problem that you people should find out why those people where they answer the same name, they share the same language with you, and refuse to be Igbo. When you ask that question, you will start. You guys will stop this nonsense thing when they do, because it annoy me. If they make me they feel ashamed of myself as an Igbo man. That my own people, they beg other people that they are Igbo, and they are saying they are not Igbo. You telling them, say, why are you answering Emeka? Why are you answering Ojuku? Why are you answering Namde? Why are you answering this? It's very shameful. We dey embarrass ourselves. Like, I don't understand. What is so special trying to drag somebody where say from your tribe to your tribe? I don't understand. If you are an Igbo man today, and you are trying to convince somebody from Calabar or somebody from Delta or somebody from Rivers that na Igbo person, and the person was telling you say is not Igbo, and you are trying to convince, you start getting pissed. You no get sense. Let's be very honest. You no get sense, and it's time for you guys to. Anybody will say you won't be anywhere, let the person be. We are cool the way we are. If it's only the 5 states agree say them be Igbo, fine by me. Stop begging people now. It looks so childish.
For him man now, he go think say he get sense. He go dey feel say he don't pass good message to Igbo nation. He go dey feel say he is right, he is making sense. This set of people are easily defeated. They don't have Igbo land in their hearts. They only follow their feelings. They only follow their emotions. This boy is a weakling. He said that any Igbo person from the southeast that is telling the indigenous Igbos in the south to embrace their Igbo identity don't have sense. Now he not get sense, not be those Igbo people. He also said that how can he that is from the great Igbo nation be telling someone from the south to embrace their Igbo identity? If he's proud that he's from the great Igbo nation, is Igbo nation complete without the indigenous Igbos in the south? No. Anioma land is big enough to be a country on its own. So many countries for Europe, Anioma land big person. So many tribes for this Nigeria. The population of Anioma people big past those tribes number times 10. Anioma people are Igbo speaking people. Ikwere people are Igbo speaking people. Oba people, Ekpe people, Ndoni people, Ndoki people are all Igbo speaking people. So because some of them they thought they not be Igbo people, make we can't leave them. The disunity in Igbo land is the major thing that is affecting Igbo nation till date. Him emotion make them they talk rubbish, saying rubbish with boldness. Do you know what it means to say that those Igbo people from the southeast that are telling the indigenous Igbos in the south that are denying their Igbo identity to embrace their Igbo identity. Do you know what it means for this boy that don't have sense to be insulting them? Look at this newspaper here. In the 1960s, look at what he wrote there. Midwest Igbos wants to join Eastern region. Our people in Anioma knows that they are Igbo people. So many Ika people will tell you boldly that Ika is Igbo land. They will tell you boldly that Ika dialect is Igbo language. They will tell you boldly that they are part of Igbo nation. Come to Ukwane land. So many Ukwane people will tell you face to face that Ukwane people are Igbo people, that Ukwane land is Igbo land. Come to Oshimili and Anyocha, the same thing. If you go River State, so many Bia speaking people there are proud of their Igbo identity. If these people can't see this video where this boy they talk all this rubbish, how you want to make them feel? So because some Igbos from Southside they don't say they don't be Igbo people. Now that one might can be enough reason for this boy to come online, they talk rubbish. Now this kind of boy go they tell people say you are not original Igbo, you are not Igbo enough. You will raise Igbo. Now this kind of person, because if you believe say you be Igbo person, you suppose know say those Igbo speaking people that are indigenous in South, you suppose know say there be Igbo people. If to say you want to make it better for Igbo land, you are expected to be preaching Igbo unity. Those Igbos in the South that are saying that they are not Igbo people, we know say some they do them purposely, some they do them out of ignorance, some they do them say their parents tell them say may they deny Igbo identity. During the Biafra war, Ukwane elders started telling their children not to ever accept their Igbo identity. If person ask them, you be Igbo, may they tell the person say they not be Igbo people. Go Ukwane land, they will tell you the same thing where I tell you. They are denying their Igbo identity because of what they experienced during the Biafra war. During the Igbo Bofu Conference 2025, Senator Ned Nwoko said that during the Biafra war that he was 9 years old. He said that his community Uboko, that Nigeria troops killed so many of their people. And because of that, his parents started to tell him that he should never tell anyone that he's Igbo. Say if anyone asks him, you be Igbo, make it tell the person no. He said it during our conference live. So these are the reasons why so many Igbos in the South are saying that they are not Igbo people. So many things happened during the past. Nine men, so many of them, they thought they're not Igbo people. Go to Ika land, ask so many Obis in that place, their ancestry. They will tell you that they are from Ori Kingdom. Some will tell you that they are from Arochukwu. Some will tell you that they are from Aguleri. Come to Enugu land, the same thing. Come to Ukwane land, the same thing. If you also go to the southeast, so many communities there migrated from Ukwane land here. So many migrated from Enugu land here. So many migrated from Ika land here. This boy not check all these things. He just allow your emotion, just make them they talk nonsense. If to say you don't meet some indigenous Igbos in South, content and say they be Igbo people, they're going to tell you say they not be Igbo people. Ignore them. No be those people go decide the identity of other Anioma people. Everyone is not expected to be talking Igbo unity. If you not go fit talk Igbo unity, shut up your mouth. Don't discourage other people when they talk to the Igbo people. Do you know how many years that Anioma people have been separated from their Southeast brothers? Since Nigeria was created, we Anioma people, we were separated from our brothers in the Southeast. After Nigeria was created, they carry we Anioma people keep for Western region. We come out for Western region, they keep us for Midwestern region. We come out from Midwestern region, we see ourselves for Delta State today, for South. Because of this divide and rule, some people for Anioma go tell you say, we are not Igbo people, we are Delta State. We are not Igbo people, we are South. Divide and rule don't make so many of them, they don't get sense again. They will come online, they talk rubbish. All these things now you go to teach these people say, no allow divide and rule to separate you from your brothers. This is what you are supposed to be doing. All those our brothers from Southeast where they tell the indigenous Igbos in the South say, these are the reasons that made you people to start saying that we are not Igbo people. We know the reasons. That's why we are telling you people that we are one people. Now those reasons made that they tell these Igbos in the South say they be brothers, say they be Igbo people, say they be one people. You not feed them. Instead, You came online, started saying rubbish. You don't have sense. You not get sense. They tell the ones who get sense say they don't get sense. This identity crisis is not only in Igbo land. So many other tribes in this country, they are experiencing identity crisis. The thing is say, now Igbo land own the hot pass. Because we Igbos, we need unity very fast. We need to unite ourselves because we be one people. He said that it's indigenous Igbos in the South that are supposed to be telling the Igbos in the Southeast that they are Igbos. And the Southeast will be telling them that they are not Igbos. So if the indigenous Igbos in the South start to embrace their Igbo identity, come they tell Southeast say them Igbos. Make Southeast Igbos they tell them say you people are not Igbo people. Instead of uniting Igbo people, you are dividing Igbo people. This Igbo identity, some people just they claim say they are more Igbo than others. Those set of people are one of the major problems we have in Igbo land. Those set of people are the evil fashioned against Igbo nation, but they will fail. Any Igbo person where they outside they thought say these people not be original Igbo, they will fail. They will surely fail. Yoruba and Benin people don't try to divide us. They're not fit. They fail. Those set of Igbo people will fail. Igbo unification does not care about the feeling or emotions of anybody. Igbo unification is a movement that must be actualized. Nobody for this Igbo land wey not get sense go fit stop Igbo unification. Nobody from anioma land wey they talk say not be Igbo person go fit stop Igbo unification. Nobody go fit stop am. One or two Igbos from anioma land where they deny their Igbo identity insult you, say they tell and say be Igbo, you start to reverse. We Igbo unifiers that are online, do you know the insult we receive every day? People go come our DM, they insult us, they threaten us. We still keep moving. They don't call me different kinds of names. No insult where they never insult me, but I don't see all those insults as anything because I don't say those people are mumu people. You where you say you know they do Igbo unification, person just insult you, you begin the verse, come online, they talk rubbish. Igbo unification is a fight, and that is why we are here fighting. For so many years now, we are teaching Igbo unification. Even before we started coming on social media. It's very bad that this boy came online telling people to stop preaching Igbo unification. You see your brother, they go astray. Instead of you to bring and come closer, they tell and say we be one people. Igbo unity will benefit every Igbo community in this country. Igbo nation is not complete without the indigenous Igbos in the South. Do you know the number of how many Igbos that are in the South? What is the population of Anioma people? What is the population of Ikwere people? Oba people? Epeye people? Ndone people? Ndoke people? Opobo people? You dey see population, you dey see crowd. This boy not know say politics in Nigeria is by population. Politics in Nigeria is by numbers. People that are Igbos 100%, you they push them, they go, they tell people when they start to say stop preaching Igbo unification to these people, leave them to go astray. Ozwai, this boy not get sense. Now Ozwai not get sense. If I see Igbo brother when not get sense, this is the first me. Identity crisis have been in Anioma for so many years. Since the history of Anioma, 9 identity crisis did that place. It's not just Anioma state, it's not just Nigeria. You will see communities in Anioma will be telling you, we are not from the Southeast. Our ancestors migrated from Benin Kingdom. What is the name of your ancestor? They will start mentioning Igbo names. That is enough reason for you to know that Igbos are indigenous in Enugu Kingdom. All this is not be what you supposed to tell those Igbo people say, your ancestor not a bear Benin name. How come your ancestor's name have a meaning in our Igbo dialect in the Southeast? And the same meaning of that your ancestor's name in the Southeast is the same meaning of that your ancestor's name in your own land. So many Anioma people go see reason for this thing. So many Anioma people you see today that are supporting Igbo unification, they won't say that they are not Igbo people. But after they watch our videos, listen to all these revelations where we they make, they started embracing their Igbo identity, telling their own people that they are Igbo people. And this was like come online, they thought say, stop telling them that they are Igbo people. Ego. It's very shameful. He said that, how can you be telling someone that says he's not Igbo to be Igbo? And how can you be telling them their history? If you know your brother history, and that's your brother, they lie, they tell you, say, this is not his history. Tell them, say, brother, you are lying. This is your history. We know your history. Just as Iseluku kid, they thought, say, Iseluku is Bini. Say, Iseluku people are Bini people. We will know Iseluku history. They tell them, say, Iseluku people, you people are lying. The first settlers in Iseluku land are from Uri Kingdom. Those people don't talk and for camera. They gave detailed history of Iseluku, telling the world that they are the first people to settle in Iseluku land. The second person that entered Iseluku is a grandchild to Ezechime called Olibo. Olibo became the first king of Iseluku kingdom. Before those Bini people that came from Bini came to Iseluku, do mago collect the throne, can't they till today. So as we know all these things now, we go come see our Iseluku brother, they deny their Igbo identity, they claim Bini origin, we go come keep quiet, they look them. We have the right to tell them their true history, to open their eyes, those that don't know, for them to know. Igbo unification is not just something that we will just achieve today. No be so it be. Now gradual process. Come on, the land. So many communities they say we be Bini people, we be Bini people. Their culture, tradition, way of life, everything, their language is Igbo language. There was never a time in Okwaneland that we spoke Bini language. The name of our ancestors in Okwaneland are Igbo names. So if I see my brother where they say ancestor will give birth to Ram, they be a Igbo name. That my brother call the talk say he not be Igbo person. I go can't leave him because now he they tell in history, make it they go astray. I don't do like that. We the Igbo unification movement, we don't do like that. Igbos must unite. We not care say this king they support him, this one not they support him, this politician they support him, this one not they support him. This king for Enugu and they talk say Anioma people are not Igbo. Say Anioma people not go join Southeast. This one from Oka and they talk say we Oka people we are not Igbo people. We will not join the Southeast. If those people talk, they make them enter house. They cannot stop Igbo unification. They cannot stop Anioma state not to be zoned to the Southeast. Igbo unification is something that we must actualize. Say one king come from one community, they talk say Anioma people not go join Southeast. He is just speaking for himself. If they speak up for in community, now in community, he has no right over other Okwane communities. He has no right over other Eka communities. He has no right over other Oshimiri and Anyocha communities. So Igbo unification don't care say, are they support them or are not they support them. You don't care anything. Our agenda is that Igbos must unite. He said that other tribes will be seeing him and not Igbo nation as a mumu for telling the indigenous Igbos in the South that they are Igbos. Those tribes that are telling him that he's a mumu for preaching Igbo unity, those same tribes are preaching unity to their own people. If you see any Yoruba person where they talk say Anioma people are not Igbo people, Igbos in the Southeast, stop forcing Anioma people to embrace their Igbo identity. That same Yoruba person, he dey pain and say, oh, my people for Yoruba land, they thought they not be Yoruba people. Go Yoruba land today. If you see any Yoruba person, come tell and say, why you people they thought they not be Yoruba people? He goes start to the time say, oh, my people now Yoruba people, now my brother they be oh, now because of politics, maybe they thought they not be Yoruba people. This, that, they go start to give reasons. They tell you say, oh, my people now Yoruba people. Isoko people they thought they not be Yoruba people. Say they be different people from Yoruba people. It dey vex so many Yoruba people that they thought say Isoko people now our brothers, that they thought say they not be Yoruba people because of politics. They are here fighting our own unity, but they want to unite. I talked about a video here where people from Okpe are telling the world that Okpe is Urobo land and territory. So many Okpe people see the talk say we are not Urobo people, whether you people like it or not. Urobo people want to make them unite. That is the same way we Anioma people are telling the world that Anioma is Igbo land and territory. Even when some of our people from Anioma they talk say they not be Igbo people. Look at this news from Sahara Reporters. Yoruba group tells Tinubu to remove Kwara, Kogi West from North, reclassify as Yoruba territories by Sahara Reporters. Now Sahara Reporters they give this news so. Yoruba groups are telling Tinubu to bring back other Yoruba speaking territories found in other states outside the Southwest to join them back to the Southwest. Because they are Yoruba people. And this our Igbo brother will not get sense. They online they talk rubbish. Every tribe for this country, they unite to increase their population, to increase their land mass. Benin people are there uniting with other Benin speaking communities in Ondo State. If you go Ondo State, there are Benin speaking communities there. Benin people are going to that place, telling them that they are Benin people, uniting with them. Ozanogogo in Nika land, they speak Benin language. Benin people are going there, uniting with them. Those same Benin people, Yoruba people, with some of these Urobo people, are online backing, saying that Anioma people are not Igbo people. Southeast, leave them alone. The same people that are uniting themselves so are fighting our unity. Instead of this, our brother to they agile, strong, they preach Igbo unity. Even if na once in a while, you come out with your page, they insult your papa, say not be Igbo nation where they teach Igbo unity. Now the reasons why they talk they not be Igbo people. Now why we they here, they tell us say they be Igbo people. Because we know the reasons. Okwane people said that they're not Igbo people during the Biafra war in order to stay alive. Say with Ika people, say with Oshimila and Anyocha people. Ikwane people are denying their Igbo identity because of that same issue. Genocide against the Igbos. They started denying their Igbo identity. All these lies where Ikwane people they tell you about their history. So now because of the Biafra war made them start to claim Bini origin. We know those histories. That's why we are here telling them to their faces that they are lying. Igbo unification is making progress. We are making waves all over Nigeria. They are talking about Igbo unification because they progress. Come to Okwanila, so many of them are saying that they are Igbo people. Ikaland the same thing, Oshimia and the same thing, Ikure the same thing. Go to Rivers State, so many of them are saying that they are Igbo people. He said that if only the 5 Igbo states agreed that they are Igbo people, that he is okay with it. This boy not get sense. How many Southeast they make we leave the indigenous Igbos in Kogi, Benue, Edo, Delta, Cross River, and so on? Igbos are indigenous in 13 Nigeria states. So make only those ones where they 5 Igbo states, just they make they leave others where they the other side. Ewo. Ndigbo, be careful with this set of people that don't have sense. Igbos must unite. We don't care about the emotion or feelings of anyone. Our agenda is to make sure that Igbo nation unite. With unity, Igbos will succeed. Unity is power. Don't allow anyone to deceive you or to coerce you, make you to feel that uniting with your Igbo brothers is a crime. Not allow this set of people make you feel say you be weakling, say you dey teach Igbo unity, say you dey tell Igbos in the South say they be Igbo people. And him kind go support her for this rubbish way they talk so. We the indigenous Igbos in the South are Igbo people, and we will never allow those that don't have sense to divide us. Ishe Wale.